Check the tension on that last coil. The surface integrity looks compromised. Green light on lane 3. Move it through to shipment. The flow rate is holding steady at 95 liters per minute.
Viscosity levels look good. We are clear for production.
We are approaching maximum load. Readings look good.
Calibration successful. The cable passed the stress test.
The spike at 400 meters indicates a critical inconsistency.
Confirmed. The robotic arm needs to log that coordinate immediately.
The strain readings are peaking right here. Yes, the simulation shows critical stress distribution at node 7. We need to hold the tension steady for the measurement. The coding analysis passed on spool 7. Uniformity is excellent across the batch.
Alignment check complete. All parameters are with eye tolerance. Confirmed. Ready for the next cycle. The AI has optimized the route for the South Korean order.
Good. We should see the volume increase on schedule. This is the final load for the Shanghai shipment, right here. Confirmed. We're clear for loading. Control, this is Alpha 7. Container 4B cleared for routing. Copy that, Alpha 7. Sending AGV now. We need to sort these by thickness before they hit the main conveyor.
The system shows the south section is ready for the industrial-grade spools.
Route optimization complete. Confirming dispatch for the Jakarta project.
Specifications match the cable batch. ETA revised to next Tuesday.
Guided in, we need it centered before the next gust hits. Maintain tension rig pressure at current levels. Copy that. We're holding steady. Anchor bolt secured. Ready for inspection.
Ensure the alignment is precise before locking. The sensors look good. Agreed, the balance is stable.